Okay, beautiful people. Here is my first official video, finally. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I keep pushing it back, but it ends today. And this is my first, like I said, my first official video on this channel. And I'm doing this video on this channel so I can look back someday and be like, okay, little growth, baby steps. Anyways, on this channel, we'll be talking about talent monetization, talent growth, talent management. Also, we'll be talking about travel and lifestyle. You know what it is, a little bit of something. I've been wanting to do this for a minute, and you know, they say procrastination is the thief of time. Best believe if you keep pushing things you want to do in life, keep pushing it backwards, it will never happen. And there's no such thing as perfect time, and that's why I'm doing this right now. I'm starting this regardless of the imperfections. I just try to work with consistency, and that's what we're gonna see in this channel. You know, how to grow as people, the little knowledge I've, you know, tapped here and there over the course of the years that I've been into talent management, and so many things. Perhaps as I grow, because I'm still learning, as I grow, so many people can, a few people, if not a lot, can tap into this situation and grow together. And I don't have any script. I don't know. I'm just trying to break the ice. You know, without further ado. Oh shit, I'm saying without further ado now. Okay. Makes a lot of sense now, because it's about to begin. The journey is about to start, and trust me, we're gonna have a swell time. We're gonna learn a lot. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be exciting. I'm trying to picture this, and see. I'm trying to see or picture what the future holds, but I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. So beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Like I said, this is me breaking the ice and trying to start regardless of however it's gonna go down. I understand consistency is way better than chasing perfection. Just do it. Just do it. I've been wanting to do this for years. I'm talking about years. Stay on this channel. Like I said, stay on this channel because we're about to grow. We're about to grow together, and it's official. My first YouTube channel. Thank you, beautiful people. Thank you. I'm out.